Creative, have mercy on yourself. Creative, I think you know you're not perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. We know that. That's established. I think you know that you are growing, that you have changed from when you were younger and you have added skills and corrected mistakes and you have gotten better. Still not perfect because nobody is, but better, right? If you really sit down and give yourself the time, you know where you are, you know where you still have to grow, but you can see you've come a long way and it's good. It's solidly good progress. Given all of that, don't you think you should have just a little bit more mercy on your past self? We tend to be so cruel to our past selves. Whether you want to joke about calling it cringe or whatever else, we hold our past selves to a standard that we never could have reached because it would require information, education, and maturation that we just didn't have because we were young. Creative, have mercy on yourself. And that includes your old art, your old stories, your old works, the things that you made. They are something to be proud of, even if from an adult standard, they may seem lousy, because you were not that. You were not as far as you are now. You cannot hold your young self to a standard that's like, well, I wasn't writing like Stephen King when I was 12. Well, of course not. He's significantly older and has a team of people behind him. Have mercy on your past self. Your past creative self did the best they could with what they had. And what you produced is good. Everything that you made back there is like a little pile of stones, a cairn along your creative path. Looking back, you can see how far you've come. Looking back, you can see how far you've grown. And if you look closely, you can spot the seeds of who you're still becoming. Have mercy on your past self, and it will help you to handle what you make now better. Doesn't do us any good to judge what we're making now harshly either. If judging yourself harshly was going to suddenly make you a magnificent artist, it would have done it already. It doesn't. It just makes you less inclined to try. So creative, have mercy on your past self, have mercy on your present self, and keep creating. Speaking of which, have you created anything today? Speaking of which, have you created yet today? It's not too late. Take a few minutes, give yourself permission to make it messy and make it small. Sit down with me and let's make something new.